Girl Scouts Union One Day Camp. Today we're going to be making silly putty with 2 simple ingredients. Well, 3 ingredients if you want to add a little bit of color to your silly putty. So what you're going to need for today's activity is cornstarch, dish soap, liquid dish soap. If you want color, some food coloring of your choice, a bowl to mix the putty in, a measuring spoon, and a spoon to mix, okay? So let's get started. First, we're going to add the cornstarch. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So let's get that going in here. And again, it doesn't matter what kind of cornstarch you use, what brand, any brand works. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. Okay? And next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of the dish soap. And again, it doesn't matter what brand dish soap you use. Add that into the bowl. The only thing that you might find is when we start mixing is if your dish soap has a little bit of a higher water content, your silly putty might be a little bit more runny, and then you add a little bit more cornstarch into it. Same thing as if your silly putty's a little dry, you would add a little bit more dish soap into it. But I'm gonna do mine with color. I wanna do a nice Girl Scout green, so I'm gonna add a couple drops of green food coloring to mine. And then we just start mixing. You see what it looks like here? Then we just start mixing it till it forms a putty. So we want to get all that cornstarch nice and dissolved in there. It's starting to crumple up, see? I want mine a little bit greener, so I'm going to add a couple more drops of the green food coloring to it. Whoop, there goes my cap. 1, 2, 3 more. So I've added 5 drops of food coloring to this one so far. And I'm going to start mixing it by hand. This is the fun part, the ooey gooey part. And I'm going to add just a little bit more dish soap to mine. Just a couple drops. There we go. Oh, there goes a bubble. Did you guys see that? Add a little bit more dish soap to it so it makes it more putty-like. And then, ooh, this is fun to play with. Just keep working it, just like you do with the slime recipe. And it'll become less and less sticky as you work it. Work it, work it, work it. There we go. Roll it. All right, friends, so now you should have your putty. And you can stretch it, you can mold it, you can do whatever you'd like with it. Make some fun shapes. But yeah, it'll look just like that. And all it was 2 simple ingredients, just the cornstarch, dish soap. Actually, I used 3 because I added in food coloring into mine. But yes, 3 simple ingredients. All right, have a great day, campers. And we will see you next time. Thank you.